What's it for, miss?
It's Wesley.
आपका personal blog है?
For a vlog.
Hello, my name is start over here.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Naurangdev. I'm the owner here at Aqua Brew. And here is our monster fish tank. This tank is 600 gallons. And we've got some rare species from across the world. This guy right here, you can see he's an ornate bichir. So the bichirs, their genes haven't changed from the Jurassic period. So these fish, they used to be the same back when dinosaurs used to roam the earth. So this is a proper prehistoric fish right in front of you. And we've got a really rare black gar in the back over there, if you can see.
Oh, yes.
Laying down. So there's only one in Lahore at the moment. It's called a melanistic gar because of the black pigmentation. They get this because if they're blind, then they develop this black pigmentation. It's very rare. So there's only one in Lahore, very rare fish, and you can explore our other aquariums as well. What we like to do here at Aqua Brew is we try to replicate natural freshwater habitats. So we take very strict care of our water parameters. Every fish is kept in an environment which slightly replicates its natural habitat, and we take care of the temperature, the TDS, and the pH. So all the aquariums are running on different levels, depending on where the fish actually comes from.
Okay. And how did you get this idea?
This has been a passion of mine for almost 7 years now, and I just took the leap this year. I've been wanting to open this cafe for the past 4 years, but I just finally took the leap this year. And it's a family cafe. My whole family is involved with me. My sisters, my wife. So they're looking after all the someone looking after the PR, the marketing, and my wife is handling all the kitchen and the R&D for our food products. So it's like a team effort, I would say.
Okay. And do you have a favorite fish?
It's a difficult one. If you look upstairs, we've got some archerfish. The archerfish have a very special ability. If you want, I can show you as well.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. These are the archer fish.
Yes, so these are freshwater archerfish. They've got a very unique ability. They can, in the wild, their main source of protein is insects. So they can come up to the water surface and they can spit water out of the tank. They can actually hit insects which are sitting on branches, or even they can hit flying insects as well. So I'm just gonna put some food right here, and we're just gonna let the archers come. This guy's coming up now. Don't think he's seen it.
It's okay. They're very
Bit
cute.
camera shy.
And what do you recommend people eat at the restaurant?
I would recommend the beef sliders and the pulled beef burger.
Oh, they're coming. We did it.
Guys,
Nice. So cool.
cool.
They're very camera friendly also. Do you have a background in marine biology or something?
No, ma'am. I've been to Bali for a turtle conservation program. I went once in 2018, and then I did the program again in 2022. So my passion did start off from turtles, but then it shifted towards fish keeping, the proper way of fish keeping, I would say, where you're actually taking care of where the fish actually comes from, and you're trying to replicate their natural habitat for them so that they stay as happy as possible. So the heart of the aquariums, they're basically underneath in the cabinetry. So all the filtration of the tanks, they're all running underneath.
Cool.
So every single tank has got their filtration underneath in the cabinets.
And what's with the smoke? Is for effect or do they
Yes,
need the
it's just
smoke?
for a fact. We've got a mist maker running.
Oh, okay, that's so
It's
cool.
just for show. There's no scientific benefit for it.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. It's a lovely restaurant. I wish you the best of luck in everything.
Thank you for